Motivational pages on Instagram. Why are there so many, and why do they exist, and how are they making a lot of money? If you don't know what I'm talking about, and I have no idea how you don't, it's just been something that has been on Instagram in the history of forever. As you can see, it's always you know, pages with just some, you know, background that's kind of dimly lit with some just bullshit quote on the front. Fall in love with the grind. Wow. If you see me doing less, I'm doing more. Amazing. Grades don't measure intelligence, and age doesn't define maturity. So these pages are everywhere, and they irritate me a lot just because of the crazy amount of hashtags and just like people supporting the posts and being like, yeah, I reside with this. It hits me right here. Like, yeah, I fall in love with the grind. Yeah, God, the reason why these people make these pages, let me show you. So what happens is these people will create an IG account, right? So there's the IG account. And then they'll either do it themselves or they'll rip, or whatever they want is they'll get a ton of content. They'll get like 20 pictures of just stupid quotes and with some weird backdrop and whatnot, and start to brand that motivational page. And then after they brand it, they get a little bit of following. Then they'll either have an affiliate link to something. They'll try to sell you into MLM. 9 times out of 10, these motivational pages are making an affiliate commission off of something. So whether that's them DMing you about it, or if it's in their bio, there's an affiliate link to something that they're selling, and then after, you know, X amount of time or whatnot, they start earning. So one of the biggest pages doing this is a Millionaire Mentor. Now, I haven't been on this page for about a year, and I found very interesting is that he's offering a free course. We click on it, it's a formula to whatever, create a 7-figure e-commerce store. So obviously it's probably like a free blueprint that upsells you into an e-commerce store. So I thought this was interesting because the last time I came across this page, he was promoting this thing called Digital Altitude, or Aspire, which was essentially a multi-level marketing company, but it was affiliate marketing, but it was online courses. It was really weird. So I tried Googling it, and it looks like it got shut down. So essentially, when you have a platform this big, and I knew this dude was making like 10K a day. Like, I remember seeing the screenshots of $10,000 a day from Digital Altitude, but that's what his whole funnel system was for Millionaire Mentor. But with these success motivation pages, you can engage and grab such a huge audience, and then at any given moment, whatever you want to sell, you can just promote that to your 3 million followers. Even though this company got shut down is what it appears like. Now, don't quote me, I didn't really do a lot of research, but the fact that I can't even look at it without seeing all these complaints or even getting the website, it kind of worries me. But even though it shut down, he has something else that he could just, boom, promote, and then everything's okay. And then all his content is still the motivation, success. I mean, it's just, this portrays winning. Even though there's no results, there's no screenshots, there's no proof, you're like, whoa, this is pretty cool. Oh, free course. Oh, I can create a 7-figure income, enter your name, email, boom, and you're engaged. And then that's gonna funnel you into a system to make money. Well, I don't like this because I feel like that it's not that honest. I don't like it just because the quotes are just they're so fucking bullshit. Like, God, these, I don't get why people are falling in love with these whole quote, like, motivation pages. Like, just go work. Just go work. You don't need to engage with motivation posts like, I reside with this. Like, this one really hit home. Like, just fucking work. So that's a way you can make a lot of money, by doing this little success page. I hate it. I needed to rant about it. But it's very, very interesting just to see the amount of money that can be pulled in from a platform so large. That's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I'll see you all in the other videos. Take care.